Samsung's One UI 7.0 update has introduced a game-changing feature that's bound to make navigation a lot more convenient for users. The Now Bar. This new tool is designed to work seamlessly with Google Maps, providing route-related information directly on the phone's lock screen. The beauty of this feature is that you won't need to unlock your device or even open the app to check your next turn. Instead, a simple glance at your phone will show you the important navigation updates, making your travel experience smoother and far more efficient. Initially, the Now Bar was introduced with One UI 7.0, aimed at tracking ongoing activities and offering relevant information without needing to jump between apps. However, when Samsung first unveiled the feature at the Galaxy Unpacked event, it wasn't fully functional with Google Maps. That has changed. Recently, Google released an update that allows Google Maps to integrate flawlessly with the Now Bar on Samsung Galaxy devices running One UI 7.0. The latest Google Maps update, version 25.050 1.719889437, now works smoothly with this feature, ensuring that your navigation details appear right on the lock screen. This integration means you can view your next steps without unlocking your phone, whether you're driving, walking, or taking public transport. You'll receive live updates in real time, including a progress bar for public transportation routes, estimated time of arrival, and other crucial details to keep you on track. Google originally designed the Live Updates feature for Android 16, but thanks to this update, it works perfectly even on devices running Android 15. This speaks volumes about Google's dedication to enhancing the user experience for a wider range of devices. The Now Bar isn't limited to just Google Maps, though. It works across various Samsung and Google apps, providing updates for activities like checking your progress in Samsung Health, setting reminders in Samsung Notes, or even tracking live sports scores via Google. This means you don't need to unlock your device to stay up to date with important information, regardless of which app you're using. One of the most notable advantages of the Now Bar is that it also functions on the always-on display. This is especially helpful when your phone is in sleep mode. Even when the screen is off, you can still view important updates, and if you need to interact with any of the displayed information, a simple double tap will take you right to the action. This small yet impactful feature makes multitasking even easier and ensures that you have the necessary information right at your fingertips without needing to wake your device or search for apps. In addition to its functionality, the Now Bar enhances the overall experience of using your Samsung device. With real-time updates and seamless integration with various apps, it ensures that you have everything you need in one place. This makes it a particularly valuable tool for users who rely on their devices for navigation and task management. Plus, with the Galaxy S25 launch just around the corner, Samsung has ensured that the software continues to match the advanced hardware capabilities of its latest devices. If you haven't updated your Google Maps app yet, now's the time to do so. This new integration makes it easier than ever to stay on top of your travel plans and ongoing activities. It also ensures a more seamless and efficient experience when using Google Maps on your Samsung device. So, what do you think of the Now Bar? Do you think it will make your navigation experience more convenient? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations. When you think of the Samsung Galaxy S Pen, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Is it the smooth writing experience, the ability to take notes on the fly, or perhaps its advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity? For years, the S Pen has been an iconic accessory for Samsung's flagship devices, but with the release of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's been some controversy. Specifically, the Bluetooth-powered Air Actions have been removed. Many users are upset about this, but the real question is, were these features ever as essential as they seemed? The Galaxy S Pen has always been much more than just a stylus. In fact, the Bluetooth functionality allowed for Air Actions, gestures that let you control your device remotely. With just a swipe or click, users could trigger the camera shutter, change slides in presentations, or even control music playback. This might sound impressive, but in reality, how often did you actually use it? The Air Actions feature was one of those things that sounded great on paper, but in everyday use it didn't have the widespread appeal that many expected. The thing is, while Air Actions have been cut, the core functionality of the S Pen remains unchanged. Users can still write, draw, and navigate with incredible precision and responsiveness, just as they always have. The pen's pressure sensitivity and accuracy are still top-notch, ensuring that artists, note-takers, and anyone who values a good stylus experience won't miss a beat. The only difference now is that the Bluetooth-powered remote gestures are no longer available. So why did Samsung make the decision to remove Air Actions from the S Pen? According to the company, it was simply a matter of low usage. They reported that fewer than 0.5% of Galaxy S24 Ultra users actually made use of the Bluetooth features. To put that into perspective, if Samsung sold 15 million units of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, only around 75,000 users would have engaged with Air Actions regularly. Given this small percentage, Samsung found that it didn't make sense to allocate resources to maintain this feature. Instead, the company has chosen to focus on other improvements that are more widely used and appreciated. From a business standpoint, this is a smart move. Samsung is a global leader in technology, and it has to be strategic with its resources. Features like Bluetooth-powered gestures require ongoing support, software updates, engineering efforts, and the physical components that go into making them work. If a feature isn't being widely used, it makes sense to cut it and put those resources towards something that will benefit more people. This isn't the first time that Samsung has faced backlash over removing features. When the company eliminated the infrared blaster, microSD card slot, and the 3.5mm headphone jack, many fans were upset, claiming it was the end of Samsung's innovation. However, sales continued to rise, proving that these removals didn't have the dramatic effect that some predicted. Samsung's decision to remove Air Actions may not be a deal-breaker for most users, especially when you consider the positives. The removal of these Bluetooth features helped make the Galaxy S25 Ultra slimmer and lighter. By cutting down on the extra components, Samsung could also keep production costs lower, which might have helped prevent any price hikes. It's clear that the company's leadership under Tim Rowe is committed to focusing on real, meaningful innovation rather than nostalgia for features that have little impact on the majority of users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Did Samsung just copy Apple, or has it come up with something better? The new Galaxy S25 series has introduced a feature that can make a huge difference for anyone who creates videos on their phone. You can now record videos directly to an external USB-C storage device. This may seem like a small change, but it could be a game changer for content creators and videographers who often work with large video files. If you shoot videos on your phone, you know that storage can quickly become a problem, especially when recording in high resolution. With the Galaxy S25, Samsung allows you to record directly to an external storage device, so you don't have to worry about filling up your phone's memory. This is especially useful for long videos or high-quality footage like 4K or 8K videos, which can take up a lot of space. This feature works through the updated Camera Assistant app, which is only available for the Galaxy S25 series. The app allows you to record in several video modes, including standard video, pro video, portrait video, time-lapse, and slow motion. This means you can record in different styles and store everything on an external drive without any extra hassle. So why is this feature important? If you've ever tried recording long videos on your phone, you know how quickly storage can run out. No one wants to stop filming because their phone is full. By saving videos directly to an external USB-C storage device, you can keep recording for as long as you need without worrying about running out of space. Plus, transferring large files to your computer after recording can take time. With this new feature, you don't need to manually move files anymore. You just plug in a compatible external drive and start filming. Apple first introduced this feature with the iPhone 15 Pro in 2023, allowing users to record videos in the ProRes format to an external USB-C drive. But Samsung has taken it a step further. While Apple only supports ProRes, Samsung lets you record in multiple video formats, giving you more options and flexibility. This is great for people who need different video file types for editing or software compatibility. For anyone who creates video content regularly, whether it's for work, social media, or personal projects, this feature is a big win. It saves you time, keeps your phone's storage free for other things, and makes it easier to manage large video files. You don't have to worry about space or waste time transferring files after filming. There's one catch, though. This feature is only available on the Galaxy S25 series for now. Samsung hasn't confirmed if it will come to older models through a software update. But given how useful this feature is, it would be great if it could be available on more Samsung devices or even other Android phones in the future. In many ways, Samsung is catching up to Apple with this new feature. While Apple was the first to introduce the ability to record video to an external storage device, Samsung has made it even more useful by allowing users to choose from different video formats. This feature could be a big deal for professionals and casual users alike. If you're using the Galaxy S25 series, you now have a feature that makes recording videos much easier. Whether you're a pro videographer or just someone who likes to capture high-quality footage, this new update is definitely worth checking out. With this feature, Samsung is showing that it's not just following Apple. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news.